Welcome food enthusiasts to our culinary adventure. Today we are diving into the world of exclusive flavor with a tantalizing recipe for salmon head tofu soup. Prepare to be amazed as we combine the delicate essence of salmon and comforting creaminess of tofu, crafting a soup that will warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Join us as we embark on this culinary journey, exploring the art of creating a heartwarming and nourishing dish that will leave you craving for more. Raise the salmon head, remove the gills. Salmon is renowned for its richness in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and other nutrients. Cut in half. If the salmon head is difficult to cut, you can use scissors to help. Cut the tofu into cubes. Heat oil in a pot or wok. Fry the salmon head until golden brown on both sides. To achieve a deliciously creamy and milky fish soup, it is essential to pan-fry the fish before cooking. frying the salmon with salt in the pot eliminates the need for marinating with salt, while reducing oil splattering. Add a bit of salt. Pour hot water into the pot. The same goes for salmon fry until golden brown before adding hot water. The reason fish soup turns milky white is because the high temperature cooking dissolves the phospholipids and water-soluble proteins in fish flesh and bones. Collagen proteins hydrolyze and emulsify continuously boiling in the soup, resulting in a creamy white color. Add tofu. The water used for cooking fish soup must be hot and vigorously boiling. Boil on high heat for 5 minutes, then reduce to no heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Add miso paste. Heating the water helps disperse the protein and fat in the fish, resulting in a milky soup. If cold water is used, the protein and fat will not dissolve easily, and the soup will not turn milky white naturally. And there you have it, a taste of perfection encapsulated in every spoonful of our salmon head tofu soup. As you favor the delightful combination of flavor, the richness of the salmon and the silky smoothness of the tofu. We hope this recipe has brought you warmth and satisfaction in your dining experience. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family, spreading the joy of culinary creativity. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure, and until next time, keep exploring and experimenting in your kitchen. Happy cooking!